Is your Ninja Espresso completely unresponsive? No lights, no sound, nothing when you press the buttons? Here's what to check before assuming it's dead. Step 1. Check your outlet. Plug something else into the same outlet to make sure it's working. If the outlet's on a switch, make sure the switch is turned on. Step 2. Plug the machine directly into the wall. Avoid using power strips or extension cords. They can block the needed voltage. Plug directly into a known good wall outlet. Step 3. Unplug the machine for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This can reset the internal safety switch or power board if it tripped during a surge or shutdown. Step 4. Check the water tank placement. On some models, the machine won't power on if the water tank isn't fully seated. Remove and reseat the tank with a firm push. Step 5. Inspect the power cord and plug. Look for fraying, bent prongs, or kinks. If the cord feels loose at either end, it might be a power connection issue. Still no response? You may be dealing with a faulty power board or blown fuse inside the machine. Ninja support link is in the description if you need a replacement or repair. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments, we might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and good luck powering up.